Hello guys, here is Dylan Shields, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego fidget spinner. But it doesn't have to be in this colour, and it can be random colours if you want. I'm just going to show you the blocks. I'm not going to tell you it has to be this block, or it has to be this colour. So yeah, and you guys, I'm going to ask a riddle right now, and yous are going to comment down below what you think the answer is and find out what the answer is at the end of this video. Now guys, here's the riddle. What completes this pattern? O O T T F F S S E N. What completes that pattern? Now guys, time to get into this video. Now guys, yous are either going to need Tygo. You're either going to need 6 blocks like this, or have 3 blocks like that, and have 1 block that is like that. Because whenever you stack these, wait, Tygo, what's the German flag again?
Red, yellow, and black.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay, so either, because look, 3 of them equals the same as 1 block there. So either have 6 of them or have 1 of these. Now they are going to be the parts here and here. And now let's get started on the base. What you're going to do is get a round block with the hole in the center. If there's no hole in the center, it's your fidget spinner isn't going to work. So you get this little piece here. It has to be around that tall there, or it could be, but don't make it too tall, or else you're going to be like that trying to hold on to it. So what you do is you stick that into that like that, and push it all the way to the bottom or the top, so it's flat on the top where there's like studs and that's pointing out. You're gonna flip it this upside down so you have like the flat area. But if you were to do it like that, if you were to squeeze it too hard, it could just attach, and that would just be annoying. So you stick that in between the middle so you get that spinning part, and straight after that you either get your other 3 little pieces like that, or you get your block. In this case I have my block. If you want to, you can flip it and make sure that whenever you squeeze it, it doesn't, attach. Or you can flip it and put a little flat block that maybe has like a design or anything. Just stick it on like that there, and that's going to be your spinning part. Now for the little edges here, here, and here, we're going to get either identical colors like 2 yellows that are 1, 2, 3, 4 by 2 flat, and you're gonna have to have a 4x2. No, a 2x2 flat. You're gonna attach the 2x2 either to the top of one, like that, or the bottom of one. Well, I would usually do the bottom. And now, because now on your little thing, it should have two there, two there, two little studs there, 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 and there. What you're going to do is attach it like that. See? Then you're going to get another 8x2 flat, either in the same color or random colors. You're gonna, and there's your one-sided fidget spinner. And you either go to the next one or the one, yeah. You would get the same colors if you want to do a pattern like this. And either stick one on the bottom, like that, and do the same thing with like this. Attach that, then attach this. You see? That could be a two-sided fidget spinner. Or you could go one step further and attach that, then attach that. Makes three-sided. It doesn't feel stable, so we go that, like that, then like that, then like that, and voila! You can't really do tricks with it and all that, but you can just spin it. The best thing for this is for spinning. It isn't really the best for like balancing. Because see,
Because it's made out of Lego.
I know. So yeah. Unja, you know that riddle from the start of the video? I'm just going to tell you the riddle again and give you some time to answer it. Oh, what completes this pattern? O, T, T, F, F, S, S, E, N. Unja, maybe this can help you. 1, 0, no, 1, 4, O, then TT 2 3, FF 4 5, SS 6 7, and then EN 8 9. So if you put down T down in the bottom or 10, you were right. If you put anything else, you were wrong. So you guys, that's gonna be our video. It might. Oh, it's been 8 minutes. A short-ish video now. So you guys, please like and subscribe, and please leave a like and subscribe, and subscribe to see more of great tutorials, vlogs, and gaming videos. See ya!